In this video, you'll learn how to split screen multitask on the Google Pixel 9. By following these steps, you will be able to use two apps simultaneously, enhancing your productivity on the device. Begin by unlocking your Pixel 9. Once your home screen is visible, swipe up from the bottom of the screen and hold your finger on the screen until the recent apps view appears. This action will display all currently running applications on your device. Scroll through the list until you find the first app you want to use in split screen. Ensure that both apps you wish to use are already open, as this is necessary for the multitasking feature to function properly. Next, locate the app icon at the top of the preview card of the app you selected. Tap on this icon to reveal a menu of options. From this menu, select the option labeled Split Screen. After you make this selection, the chosen app will automatically move to the top half of the screen. You will then see a list of your open applications. Select the second app you want to use in split screen, and it will be placed below the first app. This action enables you to use both applications simultaneously on your Pixel 9. Now that both apps are displayed, you can adjust the size of each app window. To do this, locate the divider between the two apps and drag it up or down to resize the windows according to your preference. This allows you to allocate more screen space to the app you are currently using more intensively, enhancing your multitasking experience. When you are finished using split screen mode, you can exit by dragging the divider all the way to one side of the screen. This will close one of the apps and return the remaining app to full screen mode. Alternatively, you could also navigate back to the home screen if you prefer to exit multitasking entirely. Your Pixel 9 will revert to its normal mode, allowing you to access your apps as you typically would. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.